Hi everyone, I've got a piece of pyrite. I'm going to show you how to do a simple little wrap. And we're going to use 2 pieces of 20 gauge wire. See how long it is, because I just cut some off. It's about 11.5 inches. And our stone is probably about 25 by 19, I guess. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist it together. And then I'm going to put that point in there. Go around the point and twist it together again. It'd probably work better with like 22 gauge or 24 gauge. I have to work with what I got, so I want that over that tip. Pick our prettiest sign. Well, might have to get some thinner wire. I think I've got some, I just don't know where I've put it. Now, alright, take it over. Then you bring this one you twisted, and we're just wrapping it like we would a crystal. And put another twist there, and bring it back here. And do a twist on the back. So if you were wrapping a like a quartz crystal, you could go up the whole crystal like this. Wrap it around there. And wrap it around here. You could do an arrowhead this way too. Now, I mash that in a little bit. See if I can pull that up a little bit behind it. Pull that up. Try not to break the stone. So we've got it that far. So now if you like the other side better, you could still go with the other side. I sort of like this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring them all up here to the top. gonna twist it one time. Maybe go around it again. Make us a little bell, but not a huge one. Get down in there and bring these wires around it. So I'm gonna make a little swoop here and take this behind, and we're going to cut it right there. And tuck it in. And I don't think I cut it short enough. See if I can reach in there and get that one. And this, I'll bring it back up, bring it around. Let's see. Bring it around there. Want it below a little swirl. Take it back here. Cut it. Up. Ah. And there's our little piece of pyrite that's wrapped. That's the back. Yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for sticking it out to the end. That's our little pyrite pendant. It's a piece of rough pyrite. And I appreciate y'all sticking it out to the end. And it's just a simple little wrap that you could do on a crystal or a rock or something. I would suggest 22 or 24 gauge, because the 20 was a little bit difficult to deal with. The 24 will be easier to break, but maybe 22 gauge. Y'all, thanks for watching, and thanks for sticking out to the end, and I'll see you on the next one. Check out my other channels, so if you get a chance. And I'll see you. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.